Ah. Joy, gusto kang konti, Joy. Presentation ni Aris.
Aris, lapit ka saan?
Nakasama Aris, ah.
Joy. Lapit ka pa konti. Judy. Pandidit. Natural. May toyo ata.
So good morning everyone. So our report is about the sun.
Hindi siya makita. Aris, mo sa
Ikot-ikot pa?
Sun is the center of the solar system with 9 planets, asteroids, and other objects rotating around it. Sun, it provides light and heat to the orbiting planets. It is extremely large compared to the Earth.
Star Wars.
The temperature inside the sun is extremely high, being driven by nuclear fusion reactions. The surface of the sun gives off visible light, charged particles, and occasionally high-energy particles. Statistics of stars. Okay na rin. The size of the sun is 1,390,000 kilometers in diameter. That compares with 12,750 kilometers for the diameter of the Earth. In other words, the diameter of the sun is over 100 times the diameter of the Earth. Mass. The mass of the sun is about 2 times 10 to the 38th power kilograms. It is one of the larger stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The median size of the stars in our galaxy is less than half the mass of the sun. In comparison, the Earth is 6 times 10 to the 24th power kilogram. This means that the mass of the sun is over 300,000 times greater than that of the Earth. Distance. The sun is 149,600,000 kilometers or 92 million miles from the Earth. Since the speed of the light is 303,000 kilometers per second or 186,000 miles per second, it takes the light slightly over 8 minutes to get from the sun to Earth. Characteristics of the sun.